TikTok is on its last legs, sadly. So it's in its final appeals process in the Court of Appeals. And of course, ByteDance, who owns TikTok, does not want to sell its cash machine, as Congress has essentially told it has to after it passed a law, I think a year or two back. And so TikTok has until January 19th of 2025 to sell itself or just leave the US altogether, right? Obviously, the second option they don't want. And the first option of selling itself has some issues. Number one, what company on earth has enough money to buy it? There's maybe like 10, right? And let alone what company actually wants to purchase it. That list is probably even smaller. And of course, ByteDance doesn't want to sell TikTok with the proprietary algorithm that they showed up. So what other tech company is going to want to buy TikTok without the algorithm that makes TikTok work? Well, probably nobody. And I think ByteDance has figured this out, which is why they are starting to promote another app called Lemon 8. Now, Lemon 8 doesn't make much sense at all to me. If you download the app, pretty much nothing's going on in there. They have spent some advertising dollars, apparently, trying to get people from TikTok to Lemon 8, just in case TikTok really does implode and is forced to go away. So big takeaway from the story, go ahead and download Lemon 8 and just grab your account name, right? So, at your name or at your company name, go ahead and grab it now. Lemon 8 might turn into the next TikTok, or it might just go the way of so many other platforms and just not matter in 6 months. But either way, 5 minutes to make sure that you have your account and the at name that you want is probably worth it. I went ahead and did that this morning, took 5 minutes. There's not a whole lot of downloads for the app yet, so it'll be hard to know until this appeals process is over whether Lemon 8 is actually going to replace TikTok or not.